How to add any network to Keplr wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply go to this link called chains.keplr.app, and over here you will be able to find various networks, and all you have to do is just simply search for that particular network. Suppose you want to add say network, then just simply search for say over here, and this is how it will appear. Now you can add it whether you want the say devnet or the say mainnet. And for adding, just simply click on add to Keplr. I have already added say, so when I go to my Keplr wallet and click on the manage chain visibility, I will be able to see say over here. When I type say, I will be able to see it. I can just simply select it and then click on save. And this is how you do it. You can add any network with just one click. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.